Since the start of the pandemic, residents of Crossroads Memory Care have been deprived of something so important to all of us, human touch. They'll say,
I just want a hug. That's all I'm asking. Why can't you do that?
That necessity is the mother of this invention, the hug tent.
It's been amazing. Oftentimes it's the first time they've heard each other's voices.
Mike Reagan volunteers for True Community Care, a nonprofit health organization that recently set up this pop-up contraption at the Lakewood, Colorado facility.
We have armholes in it, and it allows residents to enter one side of the tent, and then family members can come to the other side safely and embrace their loved ones. And for many of them, it's the first time they've been able to visit with these family members since COVID began.
Only a thin plastic film can come between them.
It works out really well, and we've had some beautiful reunions.
Until now, the closest families have been able to get to each other is inside this enclosure. They must be 2 meters apart, face masks at all times, absolutely no touching. Diane Rossi and her husband Arthur have had no physical contact for the past year.
I come around to the window and we talk through the window in his bedroom. This is great. It'd be nice if we could do this once a month.
A dozen of these events have been held in Colorado already. Hug tents have caught on across the country. It's a way for people to connect in a safe and sanitary way.
So, for example, between each visit, we will apply a cleaner, clean it thoroughly, let it sit for 5 minutes. We also use gloves that one might use to deliver a calf. You know, it's all the way up to their shoulders.
I thought this was brilliant.
Jerry Furukawa was glad to see his friend, although the visit didn't exactly go as planned.
She was burning up inside the tent. So that's all she complained about the whole time was, it's so hot in here, I want to go back in.
I love you.
But there were lots of special moments.
It'll be okay. I remember you now.
Oh, it was wonderful. We just never see her, you know. And it was nice.
This time of social distancing has reminded us of things we take for granted.
The lack of human touch has a real impact on people.
Someday, hopefully soon, in-person plastic-free visits will be the norm once again. Until then, folks are embracing the times these tents provide.
To see them finally have that opportunity and to see the joy that comes from it, it's a beautiful thing.
Hendrik, Sybrandy, CGTN, Lakewood, Colorado.